Problem 19, which states that if the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is, which is given by n square plus n, then the common difference d of the arithmetic progression we need to calculate. So here, given Sn equals n square plus n. Okay, so what about the first term? The first term is nothing but, let me call that as a, is nothing but S1, which is 1 square plus 1, which is 2. Right? So this is the first term, which also happens to be the sum up to the first term. Now the sum up to the second term is nothing but a plus d, isn't it? So that is, let me put 2 here, so I get 2 square plus 2, which is 6. And this is nothing but a plus d. So we know what is a is 2, so let me substitute that here. So I get 2 plus 2, which is 4 plus d equals 6, or d equals 6 minus 4, which is 2. So 2 happens to be the common difference, and we find that the answer is B. Right? So B is the right answer, where we have the common difference being equal to 2. Right? So make sure that you do like, share and subscribe, and go through all the other videos for the solutions of all the problems of KCET 2020.